Yo, what's up, Jay? We back with another. We back with another trade. We back with another trade. On Friday we have Sunday, so let's get into it. So we had market open. Market open was ass. Market open was ass. All right. So my bias was bearish because we had, look at that, we had six up candles, no retrace. On S&P, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 up candles on a 4 and no retrace. So what are we looking for is a retrace on the 4 high time frame retrace. And we had also Friday, and I think we needed to get a retrace in order to get what we want on Monday. So means like if you want to go like higher or even more down to sweep out liquidity, we need to get a retrace on Friday to move on Monday. You know what I'm saying? So this was my bias for the day, and we didn't have like anything on. I didn't want to go longs because we had nothing. It was at all time high, and bro, it just no liquidity. It means just bearish on a day, and I traded the most obvious or the most quickest entry in order to go down now. But maybe this was a problem of the trade. I didn't lose this trade. It was a break-even trade. But we still good. So we had market open. We swept out London high. Then we came down, got an inverse. Awesome. All right, let's get an SMT. We got this SMT and this equilibrium from this high to this low. Why this SMT got formed? We got a reaction from this equilibrium and the SMT. I said like I bet I'm in. All right, stop loss above this high. Just because of I don't know. Alright, I don't know. Don't get me wrong. Maybe if I put it right here, I wouldn't get stopped out. But either way, I would go on break even because market was choppy, and yeah, it wasn't the best SMT. That's why. All right. But what I did saw is the PM session. All right. I didn't trade, or I don't trade PM session. I mean, back then maybe, but not now. But if your bias is right, I even journaled this shit. Wait, let me look it up. So this was a trade. It wasn't 8, it was 11. So on choppy market open, wait till PM session to get hit. Only when your bias is strong, and my bias was strong, and I was sure that we will go down. I mean, like at the end of the day, you know. But yeah, so let's see if he could have gone into a trade on a PM session. So we have PM session, and what I did saw is the SMT on this high. See that? And this low. Go on a 50-minute, looking clear on that. So this high and this high. See that? Beautiful. And we got this high time frame SMT. We can go down and look for the normal trade entry, or just the 1 minute. But 1 minute, not looking like too hard on S&P. So let's go on the Nasdaq. We also lagging on S&P So it's better to go on Nasdaq, because Nasdaq is probably go down than S&P, because it didn't lag, you know. But both of them got down massively, so it doesn't matter anymore. But I hope you get what I'm saying, right? We had this SMT, then 5-minute break, just a normal trade entry. 5-minute break, 5-minute fair value gap, scale down to the 1 minute. Let's see if you get a break. Yeah, we got a break on that short position. Bang bang. We can do our stops above this high, 5-minute high, or this fair value gap. Or let me see, we had also equilibrium. Yeah. So equilibrium, or above this equilibrium, or at this equilibrium. And yeah, and first TP would have been maybe this low, if we would want to, I don't know, and then target those lows till Asia low. Bang, 6.8. Damn. Yeah, it would have been a good trade entry. So what did we learn is, don't trade, or wait for market open. All right, market open. If we get a choppy price action and we have a strong bias to the downside or upside, and we don't get any entries or good entries on the 1 minute or on the 5 minute, or any entries to go into our bias, we wait till PM session, and let's see if we get there a good trade entry. And we got a good trade entry just because of this SMT. The SMT was the main thing. That's why it got down so heavily. But bias was right, so I'm good. So we good. We up on a month. I don't know. And this month doesn't end, right? Wait, let me see. So no. We have Monday, then we have 1st July. Hi chat, this was a trade recap. I hope you all enjoy it.